Namaste. Myself Lokesh Gaud. I am basically hails from Telangana state, Vanaparthi district of Pamiredipalli village. I am pursuing BSc Honours Agriculture in Amity Institute of Organic Agriculture, Amity University, NCR Delhi. So I am here in front of you. We started an initiative called Matrubhumi Organics. It's our YouTube channel. So Matrubhumi Organics deals with, we provide full-fledged knowledge about organic farming and its allied areas like veterinary division, poultry division, and in organic farming like green manures, crop rotation, and livestock management, plant protection, organic certification, farmer club, and etc. So we all know that India is native to organic farming. And about organic manures in agriculture, since we know that all ancient scripts and ancient Hindu scriptures contain lot of information about organic manures. For example, like Rig Veda, Atharvana Veda, etc. And Krishi Parashara by Parashara Maharshi, Surapala's Vrikshayur Veda, and Kashyapa's Krishi Sutsi, etc. And even that Holy Quran mentions that at least one third of the pot which you take out from the soils must be returned. And in my point of view, organic farming is giving back to nature what we take from it. And organic farming, which basically deals with without using of toxic chemicals, pesticides and fertilizers, and going with harmony with nature. So need of organic farming in nowadays, it's very important, because with the increase in population, we would not only to concentrate on high production, but also to produce it in a sustainable manner. So at all cost we should maintain natural balance and ecological balance for the existence of life and property. So organic farming, which is the backbone of our country, so it's needed nowadays, very important. So organic farming, which gives us organic food, and it keeps soil healthy, and it gives long term soil fertility. So organic farming is the best solution to keep away all problems. So our concern is only one thing: please make pledge for Rasayan Mukt Bharat. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat. Annadata Sukhi Bhava.